Lesson 4. The Umeon Toolkit. Today we build 3 high-frequency grammar machines on top of Umeon. First, Umeon 되다, which means that's all you do or that works. 이렇게 하면 돼요. You just do it like this. Remember the spelling. 돼요, never 돼요. Machine 2. Umeon 안 되다. Literally, if you do X, it doesn't work. Korean for must not. 여기서 사진을 찍으면 안 돼요. You must not take photos here, an essential rule for daily life. Machine 3. 았으면 좋겠어요. This is the standard Korean way to express a wish or hope. 한국에 갔으면 좋겠어요. I wish I could go to Korea. Or 비가 안 왔으면 좋겠어요. I hope it doesn't rain. Notice the past tense stem. It's not past time, but a counterfactual wish distance marker. Practice. 여기를 누르면 돼요. And 이거 먹으면 안 돼요. Recap. 으면 돼요 for permission, 으면 안 돼요 for prohibition, and 앗 없으면 좋겠어요 for wishes. You now have the full toolkit. Next in lesson 5, we bring everything together in our capstone.